What an amazing year this has been for SDSU. As we get ready to close out 2019, I'm grateful for the many moments, big and small, that brought us together as a community, that made us smile and that filled our hearts with Aztec pride. Remember that kangaroo rat made world famous by our brilliant researchers? Or that together we rocked hunger in San Diego? Once again, we showed our generosity and our annual day of giving. We brought Aztec for Life, former astronaut Elena Ochoa, back home. And SDSU made national news when, for the first time in history, 2 Aztecs for Life, Kawhi Leonard and Steven Strasburg, were the first players from the same university to be named postseason MVP in the same season. 2020 will be an amazing year. We are a step closer to breaking ground in Mission Valley. We will define our new strategic plan after more than 4,000 of us participated in its early development. Together, we are making an impact locally, binationally, and globally. And each day, we are inspiring generous donors to join the story and future we are building together. We are able to do and accomplish so much because we are family. That is what excites me the most. And together we are preparing the global citizens, compassionate leaders, and ethical innovators who will change the world. Let's look to next year together. 2020 promises to be a profoundly impactful year, and I can't wait to take it on with all of you. From my home to yours, I wish you a joyful holiday season and a prosperous new year.